Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack daily test, that is, minimum in subarray. The code begins by including the standard input-output library and the standard library. The main function is then declared, which returns an integer value. Inside this function, two variables n and q are declared to store the number of elements in the array and queries respectively. The first line of code inside the main function takes two inputs from STIN using scanf, n, number of elements, and q, number of queries. Then an integer array arr is created with size equal to n. Next, a for loop is used to read each element into the array from STIN using scanf. This loop runs until I becomes equal to n1 since arrays are 0 indexed in C. After reading all elements into arr, another while loop starts that will run until there are no more queries left. Inside this while loop, we take two integers s and e as input from STIN representing starting index and ending index respectively. Then we declare a variable min that stores minimum value between indices s1, since indexing starts at 0, and e. We initialize it with arr s1, because if we don't do so then our algorithm won't work properly when s equals 0 or when only one element needs to be compared within given range, se. Now comes an important part where we use a for loop again, but now its starting point is set at s instead of 0 like before. So basically this new for loop iterates over all values between indices, se. In every iteration, it compares current element with min variable's value. If current element turns out smaller than min, then it replaces previous value stored in min variable with itself, otherwise nothing happens inside if statement block. Finally, after completing above mentioned steps successfully, program prints out minimum value found within given range se on stout using printf function call followed by decrementing query counter q by 1 unit so that next time around while condition. The code attempts to take two inputs from the user, n and q, and then take n numbers as input to store in an array. The code then uses a while loop to take q number of inputs for s and e, and finds the minimum value in the subarray of arr from index s1 to e. This minimum value is then printed. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.